Okay, so here's what a Whirlpool Factory Direct drive coupler looks like. Woven rubber. Then you have the plastic part goes on the motor and the transmission. Notice the metal insert on this one and the 3 pins. There's the other piece as well, same thing. And here is the one that came out of the washing machine. No metal, so it either hasn't been replaced ever or it is an off-brand one. Very cheap product. Here's the plastic piece. Notice the pins are sheared off, no metal insert. Just a very, like I said, either the one that came from the machine from the factory or a very cheap replacement. And then here is the second issue. We've got the motor. That's the motor shaft right there where the drive coupler goes on, and this metal coupler should have to be pressed on the motor shaft, and as you see, this one just pushes straight on flush, which is how they're supposed to install, but you're supposed to have to press them on. And then here's where the real issue is. There is slop in this coupler without the motor turning. It will move back and forth, just a small amount, but that slight little bit of movement, play, you can hear it right there a little bit, that will eventually wear out the motor shaft even more, make that coupler not hold on the shaft, and basically it will break again. It could last 6 months. Possibly, most likely not though. So in this case you'd have to change the motor to get that problem fixed correctly.